everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some DIY lash clusters. They are by this brand right here. Wait, right here. They're by this brand right here. Sorry, I can't see what I'm doing. I think it's VOOZT is how you would say it. This is the 384 pack. It has two different styles. DIY lash extensions at home. So this is what the set looks like. As you can see, it has two different styles. They have this one, and it goes from 10 to 16 millimeters. And this one's a little more full. This one's more, it's going to be more natural looking. I think I'm going to go with this side because last time I did a set like this, I think I want to go, no, I may do this side because I think last time I did a more bold look when I reviewed this brand. I will be reviewing a lot more lashes from this brand. They are sold on Amazon, but let's go ahead and start applying them. I'm going to be using their Bond and Seal. Now, last time I did apply these lashes, they lasted, I had them on for about 5 days before I finally took them off. They didn't come off or anything. This glue is not the stickiest. There are other ones that are more sticky, but it was easy to get off my lashes once I was ready to take them off, which was nice. But if you're really looking for like a really strong hold, there are other lash glues that are on the market that are better, like Clayless, and Eyelash X is really good. I really like those too. And Clayless is like an Amazon brand. This one's not quite as sticky. So it just depends on what exactly you're looking for. So like I said, I'm going to go with this side. I start out with 16, so I'll do 216, 214, and 212. So to take them off, all I do is I grab it from underneath and then I pull up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my 216s off. So what I do is I grab the lash where it's going to be comfortable. I look down and then I place them underneath. I may have to do 3 of each because these ones are a little smaller than my last ones. Okay, so that is what they look like. As you can see, this is before, this is after. And then once I'm done doing that, I'll take my tweezers and I go through and I pinch them down. So just like that. Go all the way around. And then as you can see, my lash is kind of sticking, so I'm going to take the Seal side, which is this right here. I'm going to go right underneath there and just put that towards the base. You can see they're not sticking anymore. So let me go ahead and I'm going to do this side off camera and then I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so that is what my lashes look like completely done. So I'm going to go ahead and show you like from the side. So that's from the side. That's if I'm looking at you. It's down. So they are very, very pretty. Let me go ahead and show you the tops of them. And show you like this. So that's what they look like from on top. Still sticking a little bit right there. So they are so pretty. Really great quality. I really don't have anything bad to say. I love the way these look. So you guys seen them before. This is the after. This is why I love wearing lash extensions, and it's so easy to do them at home. They usually last within a week and a half to 2 weeks. I usually take them off before then, honestly, just because I am a YouTuber and I have to keep reviewing stuff. So that's why I usually take mine off a little sooner. And you can buy lash remover. I should have actually used their remover that comes with them. Probably when I take off these ones, I'll show you how to do that. So I only used half of this row, and then just like a quarter of this row, like not quite half. And I still have all these left, so definitely really great bang for your buck because you get a lot of lashes. This thing will last me a few months, which is awesome, and they look really, really pretty. The last set that I tried out from this brand held up really well. I took them off like after 5 days after applying them, but they weren't falling off or deteriorating when they got wet, which is really good because sometimes you get brands and they just kind of dissolve. So I like to try to wear them for a little bit to give you guys a really good update. But yeah, that completes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.